Castor oil can do more than just soothe your skin. Ignoring the benefits of castor oil could be costing you your health. Discover why you need to pay attention. Enhances eyelash growth. Have you ever wished for longer, thicker eyelashes without having to rely on expensive serums or fake lashes? Well, guess what? Castor oil might be the solution you've been looking for. Castor oil is packed with rich nutrients that stimulate your hair follicles, promoting growth and thickness. It's like giving your lashes a natural boost. Imagine waking up every day with naturally fuller lashes. Using castor oil is super simple, too. All you need to do is apply a small amount of castor oil to your eyelashes before bed. You can use a clean mascara brush or even a cotton swab for this. Just dip it in the oil and gently brush it onto your lashes, making sure to cover them evenly. Do this consistently and you'll start noticing the difference. Your lashes will become longer and more luscious over time. Have you ever tried this before? If not, it's definitely worth a shot. Reduces acne. Now let's talk about acne. Dealing with acne can be such a pain, right? But did you know that castor oil can help reduce acne and prevent future breakouts? Yes, you heard that right. Castor oil has antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties, making it an excellent natural remedy for acne-prone skin. It helps to cleanse your skin, fight bacteria, and reduce inflammation, which are key factors in acne treatment. Using castor oil for acne is straightforward. You can use it as a spot treatment or mix it with your daily moisturizer. If you're opting for the spot treatment, just apply a small amount of castor oil directly onto the acne spots. For mixing with your moisturizer, add a few drops of castor oil to your regular face cream and apply it all over your face. Do you struggle with acne? This simple addition to your skincare routine might just be the game changer you need. Relieves constipation. On a completely different note, did you know that castor oil can also relieve constipation? It's true. Castor oil acts as a natural laxative, helping to increase the movement of your intestines. This can be a real lifesaver if you're dealing with occasional constipation. It's one of those old-school remedies that actually works. Taking castor oil for constipation is easy, but requires a bit of caution. You should always follow the dosage instructions provided by a healthcare professional. Typically, a small dose taken orally can help get things moving again. Have you ever used castor oil for this purpose? If not, it might be worth discussing with your doctor to see if it's a good option for you. It's amazing how one oil can have so many different benefits, isn't it? Heals wounds. Have you ever had one of those minor cuts or scrapes that just won't heal? It's annoying, right? Well, castor oil might be your new best friend. Castor oil has fantastic healing properties that can accelerate the healing of minor cuts and wounds. It's been used for ages as a natural remedy for various skin issues. You might be wondering how it works. Castor oil is rich in ricinoleic acid, which helps to reduce inflammation and fight bacteria, making it perfect for treating small wounds. Applying castor oil to a wound is pretty straightforward. Just clean the wound first, then apply a small amount of castor oil directly onto it. Cover it with a bandage to keep the oil in place and protect the wound from dirt and bacteria. Have you ever tried using castor oil for cuts before? If not, give it a shot next time. You might be surprised at how quickly your skin starts to heal. It's always handy to have a natural remedy like this around the house. Moisturizes scalp. Let's talk about scalp health. Do you ever struggle with a dry, flaky scalp? It can be so frustrating, especially when it leads to dandruff. Castor oil can come to the rescue here as well. This oil is incredibly moisturizing and can deeply nourish your scalp, reducing dandruff and dry patches. It's like giving your scalp a hydrating treatment that it desperately needs. Using castor oil to moisturize your scalp is easy. Just massage a generous amount of castor oil into your scalp, making sure to cover all areas. Leave it on overnight for the best results. You can cover your head with a shower cap to avoid getting oil on your pillow. The next morning, wash your hair thoroughly. Have you ever tried an overnight scalp treatment? It might feel a bit messy, but the results are worth it. Your scalp will feel so much healthier and hydrated. Reduces joint pain. Now here's something interesting. Did you know that castor oil can help reduce joint pain? If you or someone you know suffers from arthritis or joint pain, this could be a game changer. Castor oil has powerful anti-inflammatory properties that can provide relief from pain and inflammation in the joints. It's a natural way to soothe those aching joints without relying solely on medication. Using castor oil for joint pain is simple. Warm the oil slightly and then massage it onto the affected area. The warmth of the oil combined with the massage can help to increase blood flow and reduce pain. Do you or someone you know deal with joint pain regularly? This natural remedy might offer some much-needed relief. It's amazing how a simple oil can have such a positive impact on your health. Boosts immune system. Have you ever thought about how you can naturally boost your immune system? It's something we all need to talk about, especially with everything going on in the world today. Castor oil might be a surprising but effective way to do this. It supports lymphatic drainage, which is crucial for a healthy immune function. The lymphatic system is like the body's waste disposal system, removing toxins and other unwanted materials. By helping this system work more efficiently, castor oil can enhance your overall immune response. Using castor oil to boost your immune system is quite simple. You can apply it to your skin and use heat to enhance absorption. This can be done by soaking a cloth in warm castor oil and placing it on your abdomen, covering it with a plastic wrap and then a towel, and finally applying a heating pad. Have you ever tried using castor oil in this way? It might sound a bit unconventional, but many people swear by it for its health benefits. Give it a try and see how you can feel. Promotes hair growth. Next up, let's talk about hair growth. Have you been struggling with thin or slow-growing hair? It can be really frustrating, right? Well, castor oil might be the solution you've been looking for. It's rich in ricinoleic acid, which promotes blood circulation to the scalp. This, in turn, encourages hair growth. By improving blood flow, more nutrients can reach the hair follicles, which helps them grow stronger and faster. Using castor oil for hair growth is easy. Apply it directly to your scalp and hair, making sure to massage it in thoroughly. Leave it on for a few hours or even overnight if you can, then wash it out with shampoo. Have you ever tried an overnight treatment for your hair? It might feel a bit greasy, but the results can be amazing. Regular use can lead to thicker, healthier hair. Wouldn't it be great to wake up with naturally fuller hair? Soothes sunburn. Have you ever gotten a sunburn that just won't stop hurting? It's such an uncomfortable feeling. Castor oil can help with that too. Its anti-inflammatory properties help to soothe and repair sunburnt skin. The oil penetrates deep into the skin, providing much-needed relief and aiding in the healing process. To use castor oil for sunburn, gently apply it to the affected areas and let it absorb. You don't need a lot, just enough to cover the burnt skin. Do you tend to burn easily? Keeping a bottle of castor oil on hand during the summer might be a good idea. It's a natural and effective way to deal with sunburn. Treats dry skin. Finally, let's talk about dry skin. Do you suffer from dry patches, especially during the winter? Castor oil is an excellent moisturizer that hydrates and nourishes dry skin. Its thick consistency helps to lock in moisture, keeping your skin soft and supple. To use it, simply apply castor oil to your skin as you would with any other moisturizer. Focus on particularly dry areas and use it daily for the best results. Have you tried using castor oil as a moisturizer before? It might feel a bit heavy at first, but it's incredibly effective. You'll be amazed at how smooth and hydrated your skin feels after using it. So there you have it, 10 incredible benefits of castor oil that go beyond the ordinary. From promoting eyelash growth to relieving joint pain, castor oil is a versatile addition to your health and beauty regimen. Try these tips out and see the magic of castor oil for yourself.